So, sir, what I would suggest now, for an improvement की जर तुका help करपा आता from your thing. See, because this is a prominent location Margam. It is good publicity for the corporation. So I would suggest तुमचे एक दोन तीन बोर्ड भी घाला ना, standees भी असं किती. Promoting horticulture. See, what happens here? Why will I go to horticulture unit versus others? And then even one coat of painting, whatever. See, our point is that which one you can consider plus four more. Huh? Since it is directly in the heart of Margam Munda, I think improvement. See, 7th of June is World Food Safety Day. Doctor, just let us go to the horticulture. आम्ही किती सांगला 5 नॉर्थ 5 साऊथ हांगा कितें सावथाचे उलयत पण कोण इंटरेस्ट No, no, this first thing we are shortlisting which vehicles they are from. So second proposal is
RADA should be किती आहे का 17 ग्राम चली भाई
आम्ही काय करणार this is the overall thing they are going to throughout everything and RADAs without
not cause obstruction to them, but if they are finding short of having a sentry guard over the disposal, we coordinate with the municipality and food and drug also and issue necessary under public health act, we issue notices also. First thing our aim is to make this in a hygienic condition as it came on the paper also. How to improve? Sir, I am even planning to have a one training sort of on a hygiene part at a health in our urban health center Margam in shortly within this month. I think this is a priority because many people who come here, bus stand is there. And I also, as a health officer, I feel the sanitation has to be improved so that our citizens also get the proper food benefit.
held at Margam Old Bus Stand has been held after Goa Can wrote to the health officer identifying certain broad issues, that is garbage dumping and unhygienic conditions. Our purpose of asking for the site inspection was to bring all the allied departments together. So today we have had the representation from Traffic Police, Directorate of Food and Administration, Horticulture Corporation of Goa and Margam Municipal Council. We have also are going to request the help of the Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department. So today the inspection we have seen that there has been a breakdown in terms of regular inspections both from the MMC, FDA and Urban Health Center. So we have asked them today to conduct entire drive getting all the details and we are preparing a proposal wherein we will be identifying like this a map with the enclosed area showing all the stakeholders who are there. Now if you see it is a very prominent area in Margam. Now there are problems of accident vehicles here. So we are going to recommend to the collector to consider this as a area for food as a food hub. So as a food hub, what are the requirements? It is already you can say a city bus stand. So we will write to Director of Transport to improve the conditions for the drivers, conductors and passengers to sit down. There is no sitting area, proper sitting area. As far as the horticulture unit is concerned here, outlet, we have already written to FDA. We are suggested 5 units in South Goa district and 5 in North Goa will be considered as a model units. So we are going to suggest to make this one which is already here as a model unit. So it will follow all the procedures because if you see the structure is given by the horticulture unit. This is not a private one, it is given by the horticulture unit. So there are a lot of new procedures that come. You have to compulsory display your email ID and phone number for consumer complaints. Secondly, all the food establishment will come under new protocols of the FSSAI. For example, one samosa vikta, one batata vikta, and he is not doing it on his own, then he has to put on the tray mobile number, license number and date of consumption. So these are all the new provisions. So as per the new provisions, we understand that these people have been doing business for many years. We respect that, and we are here to improve business, because if business improves, customer will get better service, consumers will definitely 100% benefit. So our endeavor in today's site inspection, that it is happening also prior to the monsoon. So the remaining 15 days to first fortnight of June, because we have targeted the first round on 7th of June, which is World Food Safety Day. तेजे पयलीं तुका खबर आसतलें, on 16th May is National Dengue Day, and the program is organized in Margam. We have requested that for the first time this program will be done in Margam. So we are also concerned about water collection in different parts here. Abandoned गाडयो, accident गाडयो उदक पावसाचें उदीक उरता, थंय मागीर किमसां येता. So there is a multi-dimensional intervention which we are looking for, and that is what the purpose of Goa Can is, to improve the condition. And as we have also completed 20 years this year, we have, as an organization, we have decided to take up certain areas on a war footing to see that improvement takes place with the cooperation of all departments. And that's why we are very pleased today that we have got 99% participation today from all the allied departments. And I would like to thank Dr. Sukur Quadrus, Health Officer, Urban Health Center, for taking the initiative to fix up the joint inspection today. Now, I know some of you had questions about the regularity of inspections, etc. That is why today, whatever documentation will be noted by these departments, they will be mapped out here, and whatever trade license, NOC, whatever they have got will be mentioned. This detailed map will be submitted to the collector and also to MMC, because we are hoping that Directorate of Municipal Administration also supports this effort. We have noticed that there is generally less importance given to South Goa district, unfortunately. Even Margam is not getting their due attention. So we are going to make a representation to Director of Municipal Administration कि MMC support करचे हे सगळे फुडें व्हरपाक, because you know MMC is already facing its own problems. So हांगा कितें special signage, for example disability चे एकूय signage आमकां मेळोंक ना, food and टॉयलेटाचे एकूय signage ना. So where are the toilets of Margam? हांगा city कोण येयलो जाल्यार बाकीच्या एरियान public toilet खंय आहा तो board हांगा तरी आसपाक जाय. Important telephone numbers. You can see now the condition of the police booth also which is there. So there are many things which are there which we will identify, and before 7th of June we are going to knock on the doors of all these departments to come and spend their money, part of their money, to improve this old bus stand. Of course we will speak to collector about this as to see the proper notification. कितें आसा ही ओल्ड बस स्टँड आमी म्हणटा पण तेजी स्पेसिफीक नोटिफिकेशन कितें आसा, भायर सगळे राउंड एरिया पेट्रोल पंप आसा. सो पेट्रोल पंप आसून पासून ही परिस्थिती कशी फुडें वचचें हें सगळें आमी कलेक्टर हो विशय आमी दवरता. Okay, so thank you to all the media. Pointed out, the South Goa office of FDA has not been opened. We will again make a representation to Ma'am Jyoti Satyasai, Director, to see that the new South Goa office, which was delayed for a long time because of staff and other matters, it's already fully furnished. And म्हाका दिसता ह्या old collectorate building जर office उगडटलें जाल्यार the inspectors and all will be closer to this bus stand and we will get better service from it. So that by 7th of June कितें तरी decision FDA घेवचें म्हूण आमी मागतात.